So, let's start the discussion. First of all, I would like to say they're all looking very lovely. May I start with Kaba Kiano? So, what the youth of Arunachal Pradesh or Itanagar wants today? Can you, वो आप अगर अपनी जरिए से और आप जो जानना और आप जो बताना चाहते हैं उस जरिए से अगर आप बताए तो, what the youth wants?
One second question.
Yeah, I would repeat the question. What is the youth जो युवा है अरुणाचल प्रदेश की क्या चाहती है ये युवा क्या चाहते हैं?
सबसे पहले मैं सबको गुड इवनिंग, थैंक यू। पर भी हम अच्छा स्पीकर नहीं है, हम पर भी बात करने नहीं आते, ट्राई करेंगे बात करने के लिए। हम ये चाहता है कि हम लोग को सीनियर लोग हम लोग को सपोर्ट करो, क्योंकि सपोर्ट करता भी है, मतलब जितना हम लोग का छोटा छोटा यंग लोग को और मतलब हमको जैसे सपोर्ट किए है वो लोग भी सपोर्ट करो सोचते हैं मेरा केस।
Okay. So, thank you for the opening remarks. Tage Rita, she is the founder of Naraba Wine. That's an international brand now. So, ma'am, my question to you would be, what is the startup ecosystem like here in Arunachal Pradesh? It's an immense, it's a state with immense potential. So, have we been able to harness its potential to the best? क्या बताना चाहेंगी आप?
Thank you so much for this question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I take this honor to thank the organizers here, News 18, and all the lovely audience here. So the question is like, have I been able to really harness the opportunity or not? So for me, when I started this journey, it was just 7-8 years back. So for us, or rather for me, it was just following my passion, my dream, and I wanted to come out of be the best version of myself. And that's how we started. And initially, when we started, I must say, it was not in a very, very conducive state. But later, gradually, things changed. And then, yes, I've been able to, make the best possible use of all the opportunities that came on the way. Like, when you have your own company or you start your own journey of entrepreneurship, like a lot of things that you have to go through. And being a first generation entrepreneur, we had to do many things, on our own. And initially things were not in place, starting from our own self, because we had to overcome ourselves, our own inhibitions. That was one, and overcoming that, and then going to places, to offices, and then to get the things done. Because entrepreneurship as a whole is not a very simple or easy thing. So initially we had a sort of hiccups, but then now it's very vibrant, I must say, because government has made a lot of changes, starting from now that things have come, like we have to go back to the roots, the roots of the pyramid or the chart. So that's where, like, I really feel now that, government has listened to all the needs and expectations of the youth, of the entrepreneurs, and that we have been able to come forward with our visions and our dreams.
Exactly. So rightly she said there. So coming to Mr. Tachang Pasang, he's Rubero Mr. India 2024. So when we talk about the youth, especially of the Northeast, we see a lot of people working outside. Now people across India, सभी जानने लगे हैं कि हाँ ये अरुणाचल है. Some 10 to 20 years back, that kind of an awareness I think was not there. So aspirations of the youth, वो उसके बारे में आपका क्या नजरिया है? आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में? The aspirations of the youth today, what the youth wants, it's a change in Arunachal.
Thank you for that. Firstly, hello everyone, and thank you so much for the stage. And I would start by saying, I cannot emphasize enough on how thankful I am to be representing our youth today. So I just hope I make the best use of this stage to really do justice to everyone, because I'm sure there are a lot of talent in this state, and there could be any number of youth or any individual here, and they would represent us all the same. So I would feel very grateful for this stage and would like to represent really well. So coming to your question, well, a trend that I noticed while all the discussions were going on prior to this one, and even the introduction speech, and time and again, everyone. Well, we compare a lot to what we were 20 years back, 10 years back. How Arunachal was, how Itanagar was. We keep comparing that roads were bad, connection was bad, but it's so good now. I think first, as a start, we should stop comparing to the past, stop comparing to how we were,
So you have to move forward.
and we should start thinking about the future. We should start thinking about how we are at the present compared to what we want to be. I think our youth aspires that the most. We want our leaders, we want everyone in our society to think about what we can be, not about what we were. What we were is the past, and we can just leave that back. But we all aspire for how much we can develop in the future, because the potential is huge, and I think to make the best use of it is what everyone aspires.
So in this era of influencers and in this era of social media networks, so we see a lot of things happening in each and every corner of the state or each and every corner of the country. So जब आप बोलेंगे कि हाँ हमें लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड करना है तो उसी पे वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ यूथ वर्किंग इन डिफरेंट वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ दे आर वर्किंग इन वेरियस सेक्टर्स सो विच आर द सेक्टर्स यू थिंक दैट is promising and which are the sectors जहां हमें और कुछ करना है. So according to you, what would it be?
Okay. Firstly, the common consensus here is that we think about two things, mostly in Arunachal right now, Itanagar in particular. There's civil services, that's government jobs, and then there's politics. These are the two things that are the major occupations here that have been going on since time immemorial. But what we should do is diversify on that. Ambitions, potential, what we aspire individually for each of ourselves, I think that should be diversified. That would help us really well. And me being someone who has also been a part of the whole civil service, the competition, and I've been preparing and taking my time out now to prepare for the coming mains exams. So what I had to do in that time was read a lot on how our state is developing. So in our current budget that's out, 24-25, it has been themed, as our sir previously mentioned, the Year of Youth. So that shows in our budget, if you can read it, it shows a lot of different holistic development the government has done. We have tackled a lot of difficulties that were before, affecting the youth in media and art. We have done a lot of things in sports. Just last year, we conducted the Santosh Trophy, which, opens a whole new arena for our, younger generations that are aspiring to do anything in sports. So I think developments like these, which, expose us to what the rest of the world is doing, is what actually taps in that potential that we can produce international standards. Exactly. And I think producing international standards, going beyond our state boundaries, and, ultimately showing everyone that we are here and we are developing more and more is, I think, like our ma'am's company that, has gone beyond boundaries today. So I think
and there are ample opportunities. There are a lot of opportunities that we just need to tap in. Right. That brings me to the question of sports. So we have Kaba Kiano here. Sports में और क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? कौन सी areas है जो जिस पे हम और emphasis डाल सकते हैं ताकि और youth sports national international represent कर ही रहे हैं और कुछ किया जा सके?
हाँ, बहुत कुछ कर सकता है. स्पोर्ट का, क्रिकेट का है, फुटबॉल है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा खेलने हैं, वॉलीबॉल है, बहुत सारा है. अपना डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल का भी कर सकता है स्पोर्ट खेलने से, बहुत ज़्यादा है. क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली हम क्रिकेट अरुणाचल वुमेन टीम में भी है, तो आप लोग जो क्रिकेट भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं.
Adventure sports, coming to that point, what would be your view? Adventure sports में और क्या क्या हो सकता है?
एडवेंचर में वो ट्रैकिंग भी हो सकता है, उसकी बाद वो वॉल क्लाइंबिंग भी हो सकता है, बहुत सारा है करने के लिए. तो
That's it. So, Take Rita, while you were talking about the first generation entrepreneurs from the state, we know Arunachal Pradesh is a state that is just blessed with greenery, that is just blessed with horticultural sector. I think we can do a lot. The list can just go on. So, अगर वो horticulture के बारे में बात करें या फिर startups, more and more startups are coming up. but sustain बहुत सारे नहीं होते in the long run. So what should change so that these startups, they, really help come, so the system can really help them come up with some really concrete, at a concrete level. और दूसरी बात ये है कि जो ये हमारा चारों और ये लश ग्रीनरी है, उसी में से और कुछ नया सोचा जा सकता है क्या? हम सिर्फ ग्रीनरी बोलते हैं या फिर टूरिज्म की बात करते हैं? ये दोनों चीजें अगर आप थोड़ा हमें और तरीके से बताएं तो.
So totally agree with your point that our state has been immensely blessed with the natural beauty. Now, for example, look at my own district, Zero Valley, which falls under, which is a Lower Subansiri district, we say. So, as you said, like in terms of agriculture or horticulture, now I have a very small winery, yeah. So which we call it as Narabo Winery.
It's not small anymore, I guess.
It's a small hall, but then yeah, we try our best and we try very hard. So that is all I can say. So see, even with a small set of winery that we have, so many scopes, I mean potentials, are so huge. Like for example, in our winery, we get a lot of tourists. We get international tourists. Just yesterday, I was hosting tourists from Texas. So he came to our winery and he was so impressed with the taste of our wine, and then the way we hosted, and then he comes in contact with our culture. So because our winery is right in the center of the village, so he walks across the village. He comes there. He meets all the the village inmates. Like they see the tattooed men and women there. They see them in their cultural attire, and he's so impressed with the way our way of living, the village setup, and then there's a winery. So this opens up a setup like ours, opens up the whole new so many dimensions of economics, I would say, because CSS said we can maybe have a wine tourism like ours. And along with that, we can go for ecotourism, we can go for village tourism. And when we look at agri and horticulture potential, we have just explored only state-wise, we have just explored, I may be wrong, but we have just explored only, say 15% of the cultivable agricultural land is being cultivated in Arunachal. And out of that, we make kiwi wine. So kiwi crop, it's just we have explored only just 1% of the potential that we have in our state. So that is the scope we have.
The vast field remains unexplored.
Unexplored, exactly. So that is what, and many of the speakers prior to us, they have spoken about the homestays, they've spoken about many other aspects of economic activities. So that is what I would vouch for, as a women entrepreneur. In the coming days, we can actually, we have been also talking about how our people are migrating, people who are, they're well educated, who are full of potential and experience, they go out of our state to, find opportunities. So instead of that, why don't we, do the reverse migration? Our Honorable Minister, he was talking about how the village,
the vibrant village concept.
Yeah, vibrant village concept was there. So that is what exactly we also need to, as a general public and as entrepreneur, as a youth, we need to inculcate, we need to understand the policies of the government and go in tandem with that and explore those opportunities to the fullest. So if we know, if we understand and see Brother Tachang, he was just speaking about the budget, the recent budget that we saw. I was just going through the overview, just a few pages of the budget, and then I saw how the government is planning about upliftment of women
and
then
youth,
involvement
especially
of women in the economic activities. So these are the things I think youths, we need to actually discover, we need to be given, more awareness, and then knowledge sharing about the government
that would help. That would help.
Yeah, and the government policies.
Mr. Pashang, if we can go to another question, like you said that let's not talk about what was 20 years back. As a youth representative, you would be wanting that. Let's look forward. You have said that, and you have said that in the beginning very clear. So, talking about Arunachal Pradesh, which is a land to about some 26 major ethnic groups and some over 100 sub-ethnic groups, I think. So Itanagar or Arunachal Pradesh as a whole is a frontier state base. It's a state of community. The communities are glued to each other, so that we know that's a very beautiful thing about the state. So keeping in the values, do you think the youth of today, being modernization have been there, connectivity is there, we've been talking about, so the values, वो इनकलके जो की जाती है हमें एक समाज की तरह, यूथ उसे कैरी फॉरवर्ड कैसे करेंगे? अपने रूट्स को पकड़ के रखना है, आगे भी बढ़ना है, मॉडर्नाइजेशन भी देखनी है, उस पे आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
Well, that is something, that's a dilemma that all of us, especially the younger generations today, are facing, especially even when I'm with my peers. Just sustainably developing, even individually, for all of us. Because we cannot leave our roots, because our culture identity is very primary to us in every way. But also comes the modernization question, that how are we supposed to develop when, when cultures such as ours is majorly primitive. Our activities, our farming techniques, especially like jhum cultivation and all of that, is mostly very primitive. But if we look towards the modern side, everything points at leaving what we already are.
Yes.
So, what I would say about that is, like Buddha says, it's the middle path. It's the balance of two that actually will take us there, to achieve what we hope that will be the ideal choice for everyone. To keep a balance between who we were and to, maintain that same as we are going forward to who we want to be.
Exactly.
So, for that balance.
So the balancing acts need to be
Yes,
here.
so for the balance.
So
yes.
very beautifully explained there, and very, in fact, critically explained there. So this brings me to another question to Ms. Yano. So हम जब यूथ के बारे में बात करते हो, आज की यूथ में एक मेजर प्रॉब्लम है जो हम अब्यूसिव सब्सटेंस यूज का, फिर अब्यूज का, जो ड्रग अब्यूज का हम जो इशू देखते हैं, वो सिर्फ हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट में नहीं, या सारा इंडिया में वो कहीं ना कहीं वो एक इशू बन चुका है. तो उसके अगेंस्ट अगर हम अवेयरनेस कुछ लाना चाहे तो किस तरीके से हम यूथ को आगे लेके जा सकते हैं, डिफरेंट एरियाज में उनको एंगेज कर सकते हैं, ताकि सोसाइटी का ये जो खराब पार्ट है ड्रग अब्यूज का वो ना रहे, वो उससे हम लोग बच के रह सके? व्हाट वुड बी योर व्यू?
जो हम लोग यूथ लोग ड्रग्स एडिक्ट होके बैठा हुआ है, उसको हम लोग अपना जो भी कुछ काम करे, वो एक कोई लोग तो ज़्यादा मतलब फैमिली का ज़्यादा टेंशन होके होता है, कोई लोग पढ़ाई में इतना ज़्यादा ऐसे हो जाता है कि जैसे कि हम लोग मिडिल क्लास लोग जो ऐसे होता है कि ज़्यादा हम लोग का मिडिल क्लास ऐसे होते हैं ना, पढ़ाई में मतलब पढ़ाई करने के लिए भी पैसा चाहिए होता है, उसके बाद और ये कुछ जो भी स्पोर्ट खेलने से भी हम लोग को पैसा चाहिए होता है, फिर से उसको हम लोग को गाइड करने लाने होता है. कोई लोग तो मेंटलिटी टॉर्चर टाइप का होता है, तो मेंटली टॉर्चर होने का कोई लोग तो ड्रग्स एडिक्ट हो जाते हैं, दोस्त से मतलब ज़्यादा मेंटली ये एडिक्ट मतलब ज़्यादा टेंशन होने का कारण थोड़ा ट्राई कर लेगा सोच के, मतलब ट्राई करते करते मतलब वो लोग ज़्यादा एडिक्ट हो जाते हैं. तो हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हम लोग का सोसाइटी और हम लोग का जितना सीनियर लोग है, जितना वो लोग हम लोग का यूथ लोग वो चीज़ में मतलब जितना वो होने से भी नहीं होने से दिखे, क्योंकि ड्रग्स को ये रुका सकते हैं बोलने से आप लोग कहीं भी इंगेज कर दो, मतलब उसको काम जो भी काम इसको डाल दो, क्योंकि आपका पास में काम मांगने आता आप लोग मना कर देते हैं, तो वो चीज़ में यूथ लोग मतलब ऐसे होता है यार मेरा काम मना कर देता है, तो हम उसका पास जाएगा तो हमको दोबारा काम नहीं देगा. वो चीज़ में कुछ भी करो, पढ़ाई करने से भी मेरा काम नहीं होगा, कुछ भी करो नहीं होगा सोच के हम लोग का यूथ छोड़ो, मतलब वो चीज़ में ड्रग्स में कहीं में अल्कोहल में, क्योंकि नशा में मतलब डूब जाते हैं लोग, वहाँ में डूबने का वापस भी नहीं आ सकते. तो इसी में हम लोग का सोसाइटी का वो होता है, सोसाइटी को गाइड करना है, उसके बाद हम लोग का सीनियर जितना ऑफिसर लोग को गाइड करना है, उसको कहीं भी दिखाई देगा तो काम इंगेज कर दो. काम इंगेज करने से ऑब्वियसली वो लोग ड्रग्स से शायद मेरा ख्याल से मतलब हो जाएगा.
Thank you everyone. Thank you each one of you for your valuable comments and for your valuable remarks on some very pertinent topics. Thank you. So this brings me to the end of the session. Thank you. इसके बाद हम कुछ और sessions की तरफ आगे बढ़ेंगे, and the panelists here, they really spoke on some very important matters today regarding the youth.